Good morning, guys. So this morning, we're gonna go ahead and make sure you get started on your bell work today. So if you want to, go ahead and take some time to get that done. While you're working on that, today's objectives are to determine how infectious diseases are spread and explain how to determine the source. While you're working on your bell work, I'm gonna go ahead and pass out this for you. Sorry, we usually handle that later.
It's okay, and do what you do.
Alright, so we've had enough time to work on our bell work, so who wants to share? Megan,
I think they do,
why?
because they have similar diseases sometimes that we do.
Okay. Billy?
Yeah, they can at times, depending on the type of disease in animal, because some of my cows, they get sick, all the little ones get sick at once, and it's like, yeah, lots of shots.
Okay. So with that, I'd like you to, the packet I just handed out to you, I would like you to go ahead and read the contagious diseases article at the top and underline anything that you think is an essential word or something that you're just not sure about. So go ahead and take about 5 minutes to do that. When you're done, put your pencil down to signal that you're finished. It looks like everybody's just about done. So if you'd like to, go ahead and get with a partner, one group of 2, one group of 3, and work on seeing what the other person highlighted or underlined or circled. Do the same thing on your paper, and then I want you as a group to collaborate and determine one essential word and one essential question to come up and write on the board.
I would leave it for 3, I guess. Under like contagious diseases, exponential carriers, and thermologists.
Syria.
You didn't actually underline contagious diseases. You all know where to go.
Fancy, the same thing.
But you're really important contagious diseases, just.
I am a ophthalmologist because I know that it's like a branch of it, but I don't know much about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so with this, can we use some of the words around it to determine what it is? So, in this activity, you will learn that entomologist, scientist who studies the spread of diseases to determine their initial carrier and how the disease was introduced. So do you think that maybe they're the scientist who studies the spread?
Yeah, that makes sense. I was thinking, like, that's like probably right up your alley.
Okay.
No, I think it makes sense that it's.
So, Elizabeth,
Yeah, I don't
you got it?
know.
You're all set.
Yeah. their entire job.
Are you ready to go put up your question and put it on the board?
In a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. Just making sure that this- that we're changed.
Do you want like 2 columns? Yes, please.
I forget what our entire sentence was.
Prevent the spread of disease.
That's it, prevent.
Alright, so for our essential words, we have contagious disease and, oh my gosh, okay. Epidologist. And for our questions, we have how was the original infection carried and how does an entomologist prevent the spread of a disease? Alright, so what you're going to do now is that you're all going to take part in a simulation that determines how a disease is spread and help you track back the carrier so that you will, answer the question on how does an entomologist prevent the spread of a disease. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass out one of these. On the back of the packet that I handed out to you earlier that has the contagious disease article on it, you're going to write down the number of the tube you were just given. Each tube represents a horse. The number on the bottom of your tube correlates to the animal on this paper to give you a little background on what they do.
Is that a two or is that or not on the bottom?
That's a tube, sorry. So once you write down the number and read the scenario about your horse, what you're going to do is when I say go, you're going to get up and not with the person next to you. You're going to go around and switch 3 times, making sure that you have 15 in your container. I'm confused.
So we're supposed to take,
Oh, what is that?
No, you'll take this and you'll go and you'll find another horse and you'll interact with it.
Oh, so we like pour it.
In there,
Mhm.
so maybe
Okay.
centers in mine.
Yes.
We can do that 15 times?
No.
3.
3 times. Where's the rest of your paper?
Oh, and then, okay, and then write down the numbers.
So the steps are right here. Make sure you write down the numbers on the back, okay? So Quinn had a really good question. So you have your task sheet in front of you. But remember when you're going around to record who you're interacting with. Alright, everybody understand?
No.
Wait, I have one more question.
Okay.
So do we put ours under the infected one? Like, is this where we start?
You're going to go here with first contact, second contact, third contact. Write yours up here. ID of.
Oh. Got it.
Can't use person's either. No. Alright. Any more questions?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we have gloves on?
No.
Okay.
Alright, ready, go.
Yeah, it's the, probably, what is this?
I don't know.
Sick.
Yeah, I'm sick. What's that, actually, maybe like pass it to the
Wait,
second.
those are Richards.
Okay, stop.
Tangent.